AI is everywhere. It's in your phone, in your inbox, maybe even in your wellness apps. But here's the truth nobody's talking about. AI can lie to you, mislead you, and even put your health or business at risk. The biggest danger isn't that AI exists, it's trusting it blindly. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on why you should be cautious with the AI, especially in wellness, and how to protect yourself from fraud, misinformation, and costly mistakes. It's Gary Daniel here, co-founder of the AI Wellness Universe. Here we help wellness entrepreneurs align soulful service with smart AI systems that actually work for you, not against you. If you want to learn how to use AI safely to grow your business and avoid the pitfalls, make sure you like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. So let's dive in. When we talk about trusting AI, what we really mean is relying on it to make decisions for us in health, in finance, even in how we run our businesses. And here's the danger. Not all AI is built the same. Some tools are cutting edge and secure. Others are outdated, biased, or wide open to fraud. If you don't understand the difference, you could be making life-changing decisions based on bad data. One of the biggest risks with AI is false confidence. The answers often sound polished, professional, and certain, but that doesn't make them accurate. Guardio Labs recently tested advanced AI browsers, and guess what happened? They fell for scams. They clicked on phishing links. They even entered payment information, all without a second thought. Now imagine trusting that same kind of AI with your wellness journey. It could recommend unsafe supplements, give you a generic workout plan that ignores your health history, or encourage harmful habits. Blind trust can cost you money, your reputation, and even your well-being. So let's talk about how easy it is to get fooled. Scammers are using AI to make fake emails, websites, and even entire conversations look completely real. Maybe it's an email that looks like it's from your bank until you notice the sender's address is slightly off, or a wellness chatbot that confidently gives you advice, but it's based on bad data or outright manipulation. And here's the scary part. Advanced AI browsers tested by Guardio Labs clicked on fraudulent links, downloaded malware, and even entered payment information on scam sites. If AI can be tricked, imagine how much easier it is for humans to fall into the trap. That's why blind trust is dangerous, especially in wellness, where the wrong advice can affect your health, your business, and your clients. AI can give wellness tips, reminders, and motivation, but let's be real. It doesn't know your life. It can't feel your emotions, understand your trauma, or recognize the subtle clues a human coach would. An AI might recommend a diet that triggers old habits or a fitness plan that overlooks your health condition. Wellness is personal, and no algorithm can replace emotional intelligence or true human connection. So, should you throw AI out the window? No way, I don't think so. The key is using it responsibly. Here are some quick rules. So, double check anything critical with a qualified professional. Remember, AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. Choose secure, well-reviewed platforms like our Easy AI system at the AI Wellness Universe. Keep human oversight and don't let AI make major choices for your health or finances. And learn to spot red flags like overconfidence or vague, one-size-fits-all answers. Here's the bottom line. AI is a tool, not a guru. Use it as an assistant, not your guide. Keep the human touch at the center of your wellness journey. And if you want to go deeper into how to use AI to grow your wellness business safely, effectively, and profitably, join us inside the AI Wellness Universe. That's where we teach you how to blend soulful service with smart AI systems that protect you, your clients, and your mission. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Drop a comment below and let me know if you've ever seen AI get it wrong. I'd love to hear your story. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And until then, take care.